I'm Anil Kumar. We are learning how to solve quadratic equations. The question here is solve 2x times x plus 4 equals to x plus 4. Now to solve such equations, what we can do is expand, bring all the terms together, simplify and then solve, right? So let us do that. So 2x times x plus 4 will do. So we'll apply distributive property. 2x times x will be 2x squared plus 2x times 4 will be 8x, right? So we get 8x equals to x plus 4. Now we can bring the terms together on the left side. So we have 2x squared plus 8x minus x minus 4 equals to 0. I hope the first step is clear to you. We multiplied 2x with both the terms, right? So 2x times x gave us 2x squared, and then 2x times 4 gave us 8x, correct? That is what we did. So at times you may write first step as 2x times x plus 2x times 4 equals to x plus 4, and then you could write this as 2x squared plus 4 times 2 8x equals to x plus 4, right? So that is what we get. Now we bring all the terms together on the left side and we can combine the like terms. So we have 2x squared plus 8x minus 7x. 8x minus x is 7x. We'll write this as plus 7x minus 4 equals to 0. Now here we could factor this using sum and product. We are looking for product of 4 times 2, 8, and sum of plus 7. So we're looking for two numbers whose product p times q will be minus 8, 2 times minus 4, correct? And when you add them, you should get plus 7. So what are these two numbers? So these two numbers could be 8 and minus 1, right? So we will factor this trinomial. We get 2x squared plus 8x minus x minus 4 equals to 0. We can combine these two terms and these two terms. 2x squared plus 8x, we can take 2x common. We get x plus 4. Here we could take minus common. We get x plus 4 equals to 0. Now x plus 4 is common, so we can take x plus 4 as a common, and we get 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Once you get equation in factored form, you can always find the solution, equating each factor to 0. So we'll write x plus 4 equals to 0. That means x equals to minus 4. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 1 divided by 2. So we get two solutions, right? So let me write down our answers, which are minus 4 and half, right? So that is one way of doing it. Now some of you must have observed that there was a shortcut method, right? So we'll apply the shortcut method this time, which you should have seen when we were working on these equations, that we kind of came back to the same equation which we were on, right? So does that ring a bell? Since you observed it, we understand that there is an alternate way of doing it. So here is alternate solution. So let me write down method 2. Now this method sometimes works, right? Not always. Now the question is 2x times x plus 4 equals to x plus 4. So what we observe here is that x plus 4 is kind of common factor. Since it is a common factor, we should actually not expand, right? So we'll bring the terms together. So we have 2x times x plus 4, and we'll use this as one term, bringing it to the left with minus sign. Minus of x plus 4 equals to 0. And now we can factor. X plus 4 is a common factor. We get 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now that saves a couple of steps, right? And it helps to get the answer quickly. Now that is critical in test sometimes. So now we can write down the solution. X plus 4 equals to 0 means x equals to minus 4, and 2x minus 1 equals to 0 means x equals to half. We get exactly the same answer but the steps you can see are just 3. So sometimes it helps to observe and then do the needful. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.